All right, so I got my student Andy. He drove all the way up from Miami, and what we're going to do is we're going to go check out some properties in Port St. Lucie. So first stop is we're going to go look at a rental of mine that the tenant just moved out. They're paying $1,400 a month, and we're going to look at the potential for making that an Airbnb. All right, so let's go take a look. Okay, so now we're on the street approaching one of our properties. I'm just going to show you a little B-roll of what the street looks like to give you an idea of what kind of neighborhoods you're looking for when you're looking to do Airbnbs. All right, so here we are, we're at the property, and we're gonna go in and take a look. Okay, so the background on this property was this was originally a rental. The tenant was paying $1,400 a month, and the tenant moved out. So now we've got three choices. I can either fix it up and rent it out, or I can fix it and put it on the MLS, or we can turn it into an Airbnb. So we've got our resident Airbnb expert from Miami to come check it out and give us his opinion. All right, so we're inside the house, and I think I did another YouTube video where I showed you guys inside this house, but I'll give you a quick pano and then we'll go over to Andy and get his opinion on this. All right, so that's the pano. You saw what the house looked like. So now the big question is, do we rent this out, or do we fix it up and sell on the MLS, or do we turn it into an Airbnb? Andy, what do you think?
I'd say this house has great Airbnb potential. It's in a great neighborhood. You have a lot of space. This back patio has a lot of potential as well. I mean, you can put up a TV here. You can even fit a jacuzzi in this corner, put some patio furniture. Because when people are coming to vacation, they're looking for places where there's a lot of entertainment. So the entertainment is key to making sure that you get your place booked.
So you're thinking we put a jacuzzi here,
yeah,
and then maybe like a pool table or something over there.
You can do a pool table over there,
and maybe make this patio over here like a little tranquility, because it looks kind of nice. And so that's the idea. So we're going to go sketch this out and figure out what it'll cost to rent versus to fix up and sell versus to turn it into an Airbnb. All right, so we'll show you guys as we do the reno so you can see the progress on it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. And Andy, thank you for driving from Miami.